Where did my welding helmet go? I swore it was up here on my toolbox.
What's he got? What do you got?
Welding rod.
That's what that's been this whole time?
Yeah, what do you think it was?
I don't know. I thought it was like a tie rod or something. Those are sticks though. Let me see one.
It's not exactly what I asked for. You ready?
Hold on. Hold on.
Why are you laughing so much?
Because this is going to be a fun video to make.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited right now.
Yeah.
Action.
Did you see the dust that came off? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Addiction. Today, we're going to show you a cool product. This is the ESAB Renegade bolt welder.
Ring so big, you can't even see my face. Ballin' on the court, make them chase. Buzzy beat a shot clock, first place. Got them running plays like they running in a race. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball.
This thing operates off of 4. Count that. 1, 2, 3, 4 for all you mathematicians. Anyway. 4 DeWalt batteries. Here, let me just take one out so I can show you. These are the 20 volt, 12 amp hour batteries. That's a lot of amp hours. Doesn't mean you get 12 hours per battery.
It's 80.
Yeah. 80?
You said it's 20 times 4. Is that a lot? Is 80 amp hours a lot?
No. It says
I just wanted you to pull them back out.
12 amp
Oh, 12 amp hours. I saw the 20 volt.
20 volts.
That's 48.
Yes.
We're so good at this.
This thing, so this is not plugged into nothing. You can plug it in. So if you wanted to,
Like a Glade.
you could plug this into the back of your welder somewhere and plug it into the wall if you want to. But we're not going to because it's battery powered. Look at this, it's not plugged into anything. Oh, I gotta turn the switch on. There's a switch on the back.
Like a real welder.
Yeah.
Oh, I pulled the screen protector off.
Oh.
Is that a deal breaker?
ESAB, I hope you're okay with that.
Well, it was glaring and it looked weird.
It just shut off too. This is not a good review so far.
Guys,
maybe I just didn't push the right buttons. We're learning how to use this in front of you guys, so.
True story, we've never used this before.
Okay, here we go, we're up and running. So, we can adjust our amps to however much we want, and it changes how much weld time we have.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so the less amps, obviously, the more weld time you're gonna have. So
Crank that puppy up.
if you're wanting to weld it,
Oh, we get 10 minutes.
you got 10 minutes to do whatever you need to do. This welder, though, really, though, it would be a really cool option for someone who, you know, like us, we're going out on the trails and we might need to do a little trail repair, but don't want to have to carry a welder in the back of one of our trucks. This is a good option. There are other options out there, but this is a cool option.
Okay, so we haven't. So we need to mention that it's what it is.
It's a welder.
Yeah, I know it's a welder, but it doesn't look like a MIG.
Oh, no. This is a stick. So if you don't know how to stick weld, you don't want one of these.
Isn't stick welding like the most primitive caveman?
Yeah, this is what we'll need when the world ends. We can use car batteries to stick weld. And if you're curious, the negative is for your ground. So if you're
sad cable.
If you're that novice of a welder, you probably shouldn't. Now, you're gonna have to forgive me because I don't stick weld very often anymore. So
Excuses. He hasn't even started yet, and he's coming up with
I'm not even really sure how this is gonna go.
It's like drawing.
Yeah. So we're just gonna. I watched a lot of TikTok videos on this though. Ooh, I'll be honest with you.
Be careful with that, dude. You're
like
walking around with 140 amps right now.
I don't think we need 140 amps. Let's go like, let's go 70 amps.
And I cleaned this up.
You did?
Yeah.
You didn't bevel it though.
I didn't bevel it, no. You're not beveling on the trail, buddy.
I mean, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. All right, well, let's see what we can do here. Let's see if this thing will even weld.
And don't worry, there's plenty of flammable chemicals on the table. We're good.
True story.
Oh.
Whoa, it struck an arc. I mean, it's smooth. I think my amperage is a little low, but it's...
Ah, gosh! You scared the crap out of me, brother.
Hang on, let me get my chipping hammer. I don't
It
know
doesn't
where my,
smell the greatest, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know where my... Here, I got a chipping
Isn't this
hammer.
one of... Yeah, this is... You watch TikTok and you're like, oh, that's so satisfying. It's always like in Indonesia or something. That is not a chipping hammer, bro.
It works. Yeah, I mean, not the prettiest weld in the world, but I'm sure all you Instagrammers out there will school me on that. Again, this is not a professional, you wouldn't want to use this in your shop every day, welding stuff. This is good for trail repairs. Maybe you're out on the farm and you need to repair a fence
Yeah.
pole or something. I don't know.
Roger the cow keeps getting out. You gotta fix the fence.
Yeah, and you gotta fix
know
the
what I
pipe.
mean?
Maybe your cattle
Ended up
guard.
at the neighbor's house.
Yeah, maybe your cattle guard's broken and you gotta weld a pipe up. I don't know.
You're not paying your cattle guard enough.
Yeah. Oh, maybe your tractor broke and you gotta weld it back together. Your combine.
Anyways.
So now what are we gonna do?
Well, so the beauty of this welder, is that the name of the company, ESAB?
ESAB. Yeah.
Is that how they said it when they came by? I'm just making sure you're not making stuff up.
not
here.
making stuff
ESAB.
up.
What do you know what that stands for?
Every sucker always be. No, I have no idea.
We probably ought to. Can we Google this real quick?
Sure. I
We're
think
doing a
it's just
product review and we don't even know what they are.
I wear their helmet.
They make that helmet?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's just
I
ESAB.
thought this was like a new company. That shows you what I know.
No. We're gonna accept the cookies.
We got cookies?
It says we did. We sure had some sugar today. It's just ESAB. I don't know what it stands for. Nobody knows what it stands for. Do you know what it stands for? You tell us what it stands for in the comments, right down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So show us how it comes apart real quick.
Oh yeah.
Because
So-
it does do some things where it,
I would turn it off first,
yeah.
and then you got a little switch on the back. There's a plug. You got to unplug
Yeah,
that.
it goes from the battery pack to the welder.
Yeah.
And then there's your wall
This is
outlet.
if you wanted to plug it into the wall, and then this is your adapter to go from 240 to 110.
Oh,
so
dope.
say you're staying at an Airbnb and you just need to do some welding on, like, I don't know, maybe a steering ram in Moab or something.
You were real specific.
Could have
with that.
plugged this into a wall. And then, yeah, so obviously you want to take everything off of it. You don't want to just leave it hanging. Coil that up real neatly when you're done with it. And then it's just got a little lever here. And you just take that off and you just put it away.
Yeah, then you can carry your battery packs around. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, the 4 DeWalt batteries.
Yeah. Where's the charger?
And it comes with a charger.
Comes with
this
a
base station.
4 battery charger.
That thing's a unit all on its own right
Dude.
there.
Yeah. You can plug that in at night.
Charging them at night.
Yeah. I think it's pretty much the coolest thing they ever had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now put it back together. Sorry, I'm making you
work, man.
making you work, man. You don't work a whole lot, so I gotta make sure you're
Wow. That
This
hurts.
is a joke, man. This is a joke. I'm a funny guy. That's not right.
Yeah.
No, you gotta go front first.
I did go front first.
No, obviously not.
Oh, yeah, it goes in like that. Good job. Good job, Ricky.
It's the only jobs I do, baby.
Yeah, it's on now.
Okay. Okay, so I got a challenge for you.
Oh, okay.
If you haven't noticed already, there's cones that go out the shop.
Oh, no.
They're little stations, okay?
already see where
This is
this
real.
is
He has
going.
no idea this is
Oh,
happening.
no.
Well, yeah, while you were up front, I was setting this video up. Okay?
Oh,
So
no.
you got to carry it on your shoulder because it does have a shoulder strap.
It does
you know,
have a
some of you
shoulder
guys
strap.
noticed this is for that mobility, okay?
Okay.
And there's just, you don't have to like, just stick them together with like a 1-inch bead, okay?
What? So there's things for me to weld there?
Oh yeah.
So
every station has things for you to weld.
So I'll know what they are?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, always take your rod out before you walk around.
Yeah, before you just go set it willy-nilly on tables and stuff. Burn the place down.
You usually put them in your pocket. Most welders have like a little pocket. They put them in.
I feel like I'd lean over and
I'm in
get
shorts.
myself.
Okay, can I get set up first? Can
What
I
do you
get
mean?
like organized here?
Yeah, so that's what you're doing. I'm filming you doing it.
I just want to make sure.
But you get bonus points if it never leaves your shoulder.
Oh, okay.
Which actually, that's a terrible idea because there's only one that's standing up. The rest of them are like kneeling down on the ground. So that's a terrible idea.
Well, I can kneel with it, right?
It's heavy.
Okay, I'm going to take some extra rod with me.
How much welding are you doing?
Well, I don't know, but I want to be prepared.
Okay. You're just gonna carry it, and all you gotta do is just walk to the back of the shop, and you'll see cones set up, and there's some scrap metal. Start right there. Yeah, it's real obvious.
Real obvious. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this plugged in and turned on,
and it's all kind of similar to this. Renegade Volt. I'm gonna name my next dog that. Renegade Volt. Oh, you didn't.
I did something wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong when I do that. You must have to be real patient with the power button. We'll see if anything happens. Yeah. So I push it, and then it wasn't. I'm impatient, so I push it again, and it turns itself off. Okay. Well, here we go. Let's go see if I can figure out what.
Hopefully, this doesn't take you 23 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what that said. Oh. Yeah. So picture we're out in the woods. You know what I mean? And you're. Does that not come out of the back of it?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's inconvenient. He's carrying a welder. This is great. Ah, yes! I told you stop the willy-nilly waving that around, bro. Uh-oh. You done made it angry.
I think that's a 1 inch. I wouldn't really trust my grandma to drive anything with that. Okay.
This is so ridiculous.
What am I welding here?
I don't know. It's like that's your axle shaft out of
right.
pig.
Yeah, I figured that out. Smells good.
Yeah.
The wood's probably burning.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, it's been a while.
He's arcing this thing everywhere. He's on a roll with this.
Did I miss one?
Yeah, to your left.
Oh no. That's little. You better turn us down. Let's see. Let's give us like, I don't know, let's try 40. Oh, I gotta hook my ground up.
Oh, God.
Hang on. Let me turn my amperage up. Shoot, yeah. Looks about like a farmer's weld.
All right, now we gotta go outside.
Oh, we gotta go outside? Okay, here we go. Now I wonder why I got back issues. Am I welding on the motorcycle?
No, follow the cones.
Oh, I'm following the cone. Okay. All right. It's getting heavy. Oh, I gotta weld this bolt on.
Weld the bolt to Mike's axle.
Awesome. Oh, look at you. You even cleaned it off for me.
Well, how to get all the grease and paint and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, I gotta turn my amperage way up.
Way up, baby.
Okay, so I may have gotten a few too many rods.
You just now gone through one.
Yeah. Okay, where next?
That's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Well, shoot. It's about all I can handle. I think it's a pretty darn good welder.
Yeah.
If I needed to weld on the trail, or on the farm, or wherever, this is a great little tool for the toolbox. Tool for your tool belt if you want to carry it like I did.
Yeah.
All right, ESAB. Make me a deal on this thing. It's nice.
Is there anything you want to do with it?
No, I just wanted to see if it would weld.
It does.
Clearly does. And you had me testing on thick metal, thin metal.
See, I'm smart. I know what I'm doing sometimes.
Yeah, you did a great job.
You know what I mean? Sometimes I get the idea cloud in my brain hole in it.
No, that was good.
It comes together.
That was good.
We should mention that they let us borrow this.
Yeah. No,
So the original plan was when we were in Hot Springs.
Yeah, we were supposed to make a video
We were supposed to,
of us using it.
of us using it out in Hot Springs, and then we forgot.
Yeah. We
And
had
then
such a good time
Yeah. And then we were supposed to make a video of it
this weekend.
this weekend at Crossbar, and we forgot.
Yeah. We were just having too
You
much
know,
fun.
we put our Jeeps in the 4 low, and then the world just disappears. You know what I
that's
mean?
basically true.
So then we were like, all right, let's do this.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a really versatile welder, I don't know how it just turned back on, but it did. If you're looking for a really versatile, little handy battery-powered welder that you don't have to worry about where to plug it in at, give ESAB a call. I'm going to. Maybe they'll let me have this one at a discounted rate since I've drugged their cord all over.
You remind me of the guy from Mad Max, the video game.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna land a big chief, a bona fide bad boy. Huh? 429 cubic inches, 460 horses, holy rolling. Nobody could touch you on the blacktop day or night. Why, you'd be evergreen, eternal, road zipping with the guy.
Well, I'll be that guy when the world ends.
Yeah.
Just make sure you protect me from all the bad guys.
Okay.
I'll keep the cars running.
Okay.
Okay.
Deal.
Cool. Bye.
Ring so big, you can't even see my face. Ballin' on the court, make 'em chase. Buzzer beater, shot clock, first place. Got 'em running